Alright guys, so I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new PC stand. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so it's going to take a look at it. Let's start with the assembly. Out of the box, everything's well packaged and clearly labeled. You got the wood textured platform, the height adjustable column, caster wheels, power strip, hooks, and all the necessary hardware. Building it was pretty straightforward. You just attach the column to the base, screw in those top tier shelf structures, mount the rolling wheels underneath, and finish it off by installing the crank handle and integrated power strip. Once assembled, the build quality feels solid, real weight to it, and it doesn't wobble. This thing looks and feels premium. The top wood grain panel gives it the high-end desk aesthetic, and the matte black metal frame makes it feel like it belongs in a modern office or gaming setup. There's a lot of space on both tiers. The upper deck holds my full-size printer, while the bottom holds my desktop PC case with room to spare. I especially like the clean cable design with the power strip already built into the side. It keeps everything organized and off the ground. The next part is what I really like, is the height adjustment. You can turn the hand crank and the whole stand glides up or down smoothly. No jerking, no tools required. You can raise it from 23 inches all the way to 34 inches so it adapts to whatever you need it. Under your desk, beside it, or even used as a mini tech station. Next up, the movement. It's got 4 hidden 360-degree rolling caster wheels underneath. Despite the size and weight of the PC tower, this thing rolls effortlessly on both hardwood and carpet. The wheels are quiet and feel sturdy. You can glide the whole rig out for cleaning or repositioning and then lock it back in place without worrying about scratching the floors or tipping it over. Now lastly, let's talk about real world use. I added my desktop printer to it, fits no problem. Now I've got one compact mobile workstation with my tower and my printer right there. No more crawling underneath the desk to mess with cords or move equipment. The power strip on the side gives you 3 AC outlets and 2 USB ports, so I've got everything that I need to keep my PC and accessories powered on. I did like the extra surface that almost feels like a side extension of my desk, like a mini command center. I also did like the built-in hooks. They're a small touch but super useful. I'm going to use them for my headphones and other extra cables that I often need. So if you guys are looking for a new computer stand, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all could get yours. Highly recommend.